climate change, when I was an undergrad, it was already understood well enough to start doing something about it. So I remember when I came to MIT, I was thinking, this is where a huge amount of research is going to be done. And then I remember talking to one of the professors there, and she was like, no, not on your time scale. They're going to do nothing. And I'm like, really? But this is a huge problem. And it's well understood. And it's like, yeah, no, but the industry doesn't want to do anything about it, and they're going to delay it as much as they can. And she was right, I must have to say. That they've been really effective at delaying it, even though the science, is ridiculously well understood. But, not that there are uncertainties, but compared to, let's say, economics models that we make decisions based on, it's much less certain, much less uncertain. But that's all politics really, and sociology, and not science. And there are opportunistic scientists that, of course, if you decide to speak up and play up some doubt about climate change and talk to the media and whatever, you will get people to fund you. And there are people who play that role, much like there were people who said for years that tobacco doesn't cause cancer and whatever. But that's this sociology, politics is, for the most part, is not science. There are legitimate questions, but I think the big picture is very well understood from a long time ago. Something that Peter Tans, who you're interviewing, says, and it's like what I don't understand is that if carbon dioxide has doubled and is basically a blanket on the planet, how someone could think that climate wouldn't change? It just makes no sense whatsoever. It's just basic physics.